Have you ever wondered what exactly is it that moves the online trading market? It's a fascinating world where the slightest shift in news or events can send ripples across the globe, affecting millions of traders. The online trading market, much like the physical world, is driven by a multitude of factors. The market's pulse is dictated by global events, economic indicators, and even the weather. Yes, you heard it right, even the weather. For instance, a severe drought can impact agricultural commodities, sending wheat or corn prices soaring. Let's delve into some of the recent events that have jolted the online trading market. The ongoing geopolitical tensions have been a significant driving force. The escalating trade wars have spurred volatility in currencies, commodities, and stocks alike. Traders have been on their toes, trying to anticipate the next move, the next announcement, or the next tweet. The world of cryptocurrencies has been another hotbed of activity. The roller coaster ride of Bitcoin and its counterparts has been nothing short of thrilling. The announcement of Facebook's digital currency, Libra, in 2023 shook the crypto world, creating a wave of excitement and uncertainty. Then, there's the tech industry. The unveiling of revolutionary technologies, be it artificial intelligence, quantum computing, or blockchain, has had a profound impact on the market. The launch of new tech products or services, or even the mere rumor of such an event, can cause stocks to soar or plummet. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of what moves the online trading market. It's a thrilling world, full of opportunities and challenges. It's a world that never sleeps, where every second counts. And it's a world that's waiting for you to dive in. So, are you ready?